Hey, what's up guys, this is Shlok from The Minute Show, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can square root any number in just a few seconds. So let's get started. So suppose I have a number, say x, and I need to square root it. I need to find the square root of x. So if x is not a perfect square number, then we need to find a number which is closest to x and is a perfect square. Suppose that number is y. Y is a perfect square number closest to x, and now we need to find the root of y, which will be a whole number, and then we need to form a whole number fraction, mixed fraction. Sorry, we need to form a mixed fraction whose whole number part would be the root of y, whose numerator would be x minus y, the difference between x and y, x minus y. And the denominator of that fraction would be 2 times root y, and this will give us the answer, give us the square root of x. So we just need to find the perfect square number closest to x. We need to find the square of that number, form a mixed fraction like this one, and you get the square root. So let's take an example. I again have that random number generator with me. So let's generate a random number, 55. So 55 is not a perfect square number, so this is 55, and we need to find a number which is closest to 55 and is a perfect square, which is 49. 49 is the square of 7. And now we'll form our mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction's whole number part would be the square root of 49, which is 7. Its numerator would be 55 minus 49. Its denominator would be 2 times 7. So this comes out to be 7, 6 upon 14. And this will be so the answer would be 7 plus 3 upon 7, and 3 upon 7 would be 0.428. Try to get it till 3 decimal places if the fraction if the fraction can give you the decimal till 3 decimal places, you can take out the answer till 3 decimal places. It will get the square root more accurate. So the 3 upon 7 is 0.428, and the square, therefore the square root of 55 is 7.428. And this can work for any number. There are no limitations until you are squaring a negative number, which is less than 1. And let's do another one. Here I again have the random number generator, 32. So 32 is not a perfect square number, as we know. So the 32 closest to it is 36, which is the square of 6. We'll form the mixed fraction, whole number part 6. 32 minus 36, which is minus 4 upon 2 times 6, which is 12. Minus 4 upon 12 is 1 by 3. So the answer would be 6 minus 1 by 3, which is 6 minus 0.333. Okay, this is a recurring decimal, so it will be 6 minus 0.333, and the answer will, the root of 32 would be 5.667, and this is the square root of 32. So guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned to watch our next videos, and peace.